Morning tubers, quick viddy today just to show you my new acquisition. Got this a couple of weeks ago, haven't tried it out yet. Dutch Army Hooped Bivvy, and haven't waterproofed it, haven't done anything to it. It's basically going on a beach camp this weekend with some other YouTubers. Yeah, it's going to be a test. Obviously I haven't guided it out or anything, but it's pretty much as it is. I'm just basically doing a quick kit video, and I'll get all the kit out in a minute, but that's going with me, and a whole host of other stuff that's just coming up. So we'll see you in a little while. Okay guys, well that's pretty much the kit that I'm taking. I'll go through it. We've got LK50 backpack, which should fit all of it in. Vango sleep mat, self-inflating sleep mat that I got 4 of for 20 quid last year. They are actually pretty good. Carrymore concertina sleep mat, which is new, which I got for the underside of my Dutch Army Hooped Bivvy. Dutch Army Hooped Bivvy, yeah. Cook kit, coffees, bum wipes, all the usual stuff in that dry bag there. Poncho, just in case. I might have trying to arrange some sort of little tarp system with my poncho over the top of my hoop, depends on what the weather's going to look like. One of these 2 sleeping bags, not sure which one. The red one is thicker and warmer I think, but it's quite old now and I can't find the spec on it. This was a cheapo mountain warehouse job that we got for the beach bivvy last year with my son. Not particularly warm, that one, but I'm not sure. I'm going to check up the spec on it in a minute. Let's go this side. Tarp, dodgy tarp. I haven't even opened this one yet. Haven't opened it up. Just got that for when I get my permission to get into my woods that I have got permission for, but I'm not actually in the woods yet. Little tarp for underneath my bivvy if I need it. I'm using a tripod at the moment, but that's a tripod cover. 2 bivvy bags. These are supposed to be breathable. These I used on the beach bivvy last time. They're just 2 very thin bivvy bags, just in case the Dutch Army leaks, because I haven't waterproofed it or anything. Probably have some sort of squash drink. That's the spare dry bag. Not sure what's going in there yet. There will be some clothes going in that yellow one, just spare evening clothes and stuff. Head torches, batteries, things like that are in the red one. 1.5 litres of water, which will do me enough for 4 coffees and a porridge in the morning if I get up early. Shemag, whatever you bloody call that thing. Tree huggers, just in case we have to bail out to the woods, and my hammock, but I'll probably, it's a bit pointless taking that, but I might just put those in the car, purely just in case we go to the woods. But really I want to try my Dutch Army Hooped out, because that's what it's all about. In my backpack, there's a seat pad in the back. In the side pockets there's water paracord in this side, and that side is little first aid kit and a bit of space. I did have a saw in there. Hang on. Did have that kitty. It's just an oldie or a little special. It's actually alright. I did have it in there, but really don't need it for the beach because we're taking pre-cut logs anyway, because there's no beach combing really. There's not much washes up on the beach. But anyway, that's just a brief kit outlook. I might take a couple of knives and stuff, but that's basically it. Probably less one sleeping bag, so it should easily fit in the LK50. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate your time, and yeah, looking forward to Saturday. It's going to be amazing. 2 definite YouTubers. Not sure if the third guy has got a channel yet, but we'll find out. Anyway, really looking forward to it, guys. You know who you are. I'll see you Saturday. Just while you're on, I'll let you guys decide which knife I bring. I'll probably bring a Swiss Army or something as well, but do I bring, let's just wedge the other one in between my legs. Do I bring the SE4, the favourite, fantastic for battening and sharpening. Not that we need to batten much, but it's good all round also for cutting and eating. Do I bring this one? The SE4. Get it down the right way. Okay. Or do I bring, which I haven't had out for a while, this normally goes normal camping with me, one of my original knives. It's a Gerber Gator, I think it's called. I had this for a while, but it's got like an alligator sort of rubberized skin handle, very light actually, but sturdy as F. Or do I bring this one? So that's the Gerber Gator or the SE4. Which one? I'll just bring one of whichever one you guys choose. I can actually sort of flick it out like that. There you go. Anyway, choice is yours. I'll bring another little knife as well with me. See you later, chaps.